So determine the margin of error for the confidence interval. So we got oh, so we're gonna add take the two of them and divide it by 2.
Yeah.
Take the confidence interval.
Yeah, I think you subtract the 2 and then, yeah, divide by 2. But it's coming up a negative number. I might have it wrong. Hang on, I probably do. Let me look. I-23. Yep, I got it wrong. Okay. Just a second.
So we taking that.
There we go.
Which confidence interval are we taking?
High first minus low.
Yeah, but we have like 3 of them.
I've got 2. I'm taking the bottom numbers. The
So you're taking-
0.640, 0.860.
So that'll give you 0.11.
Yeah.
I think that's where at least my math works.
Yeah, it's 0.109. 0.1095, so that would come out to 0.110. Because that's 3 decimal places.
You on board? You on the same spot there, Brett, with us?
Yep.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Now that I know what we're doing, it helps. I might actually learn
bound.
something out of this class. Dun, 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 dun. 0.86.
And then 0.860.
Yep.
Ten. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen? So the sample size, the interval will decrease, right?
Well, let's take a look.
Wrote this down.
If we plug that sample size into our Excel sheet there and go from 60 to 80.
We go from we increased. No, we didn't. We decreased. Or did I don't know. Let's add that up. So we decreased by a little bit. Not by much.
So decrease on 10.
I was just looking at the numbers. I mean, our numbers a little bit closer. I mean, it's just barely different on the confidence intervals. Because I was just reading, if the sample size increases, the interval decreases. But if we increase our confidence level, the interval increases. And that's down to the bottom. Or maybe I got that out of the video. I can't remember.
You guys sorry.
Right, you can't die on us here.
My winter bronchitis has finally arrived.
Oh, yay.
I always get it at least once every year.
I normally do too, and this winter I haven't caught it yet.
Oh, now you just
Knock
jinxed
on
yourself.
wood. Knock on wood.
Okay,
So we
here.
think it decreases on 10?
So our confidence level goes from 0.640, 0.860 to 0.450, 0.671. So the only difference is instead of being 22, it's 0.217. So it's a little bit smaller. I
Yeah,
mean,
it
very
is.
little.
Okay, well,
Just a teeny bit different.
I'll fall on the sword, so let's try decrease and see what happens.
Okay. To conduct a hypothesis test for one
One
portion,
proportion.
P is a half. P is 0.5. So this would be the one where we have, well, where the heck it's at. So N would be the Z whatever the value. What's the M? Let me find where that's at. So I'm looking under the sample size calculations,
Yeah,
number 3.
I was looking at that too, and it's, yeah.
So M is the margin of error. Is this still going with the same problems?
I assume so.
For the next
Yeah.
5 questions. So we have a margin of
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How rude.
so 95% confidence level. So does that mean our margin of error is 0.05 or 0.5%?
Sure.
What's the smallest number that we can multiply by 0.5 and get 10?
I have no clue how to figure this out.
I'm showing 20.
Yeah, 20 is what I'm showing too.
There's a Molly.
Hey guys,
You
We're
have a
floating
different background too.
I do. Which number are you on?
10.
10, okay. You're not quite to the part where I got stuck, so I'll just
Good.
follow along.
Well, 10 we got 11.
Yeah, 11
20.
we're on truly, so.
All right.
So 20 is what we're thinking on 11?
That's
20 is
got the
right.
smallest
Yeah, smallest number.
because of
How do you figure?
well, the smallest number you can take half of and be greater than or equal to 10 is 20.
Okay,
That's how you meet your
Whether that's the
requirement.
way you go about it.
that's true. That's true. Okay.
And the next one is the same
So
kind
now
of
we got to
thing.
do it. So it's 100.
Yes.
Yep.
100 is 12. Okay.
Because you're taking a tenth. 13. So now we can use our cool little spreadsheet.
This one, I think you just plug into that same formula, the P times N.
Yeah, that is a cool little, well, that plus the little spreadsheet's kind of cool too.
Right.
Yeah, spreadsheet does help.
So we want to,
Okay, N is 80, X is 38.
yeah,
What confidence level are we looking for?
This one, you're still just trying to find out if it's satisfied.
yeah, so you don't have to go to the confidence level yet or the null hypothesis, neither one of those yet.
Yeah.
So we're above 10 on them both as far as what I can see.
Yep. That one should be true.
Okay.
He has 0.475.
For number 14.
Yep, that's what I'm showing.
And the test, the statistic is negative 4.392.
This is where I got.
Z-score.
Now, where are you?
The Z right by the p-value, isn't that the test? That's a tough word for me to say tonight. Statistic.
Yeah, it is actually.
I think that's what the Z is.
Negative 4.392.
Yeah.
Okay.
The p-value. Now we have to decide. I think we have to plug in the 60 for. I don't think that changes the null hypothesis or not.
No, I don't
it does
think it
change.
does.
Because then that
Okay,
change
so what are you
that
putting?
hypothesis is 0.6.
0.6.
So
Okay.
0.6, that changes your test statistic and your p-value. That changes your to negative 2.2.
Yeah, that changes everything. So let's. Okay.
I think that's where that changes.
So 15 is negative 2.282.
Yeah, if we put in the 60%.
Okay. That's what I had too. But
Yeah, 282. Okay.
0.022 on the p-value. Well, if you're stuck on something, Molly, where the heck you at? Like 18, the last one?
no, it was. I took it the first time and I missed 14 through 18. But then I went back and tried to figure them out, and the second time I came up with 0.475 on 14 and minus 2.282 on 15.
Okay.
0.011
Then 0.20.
on 16, but
22.
I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure they're right.
Okay, where'd you get?
Admit it.
Oh, wait a minute. I got to change we're going not equal to, that may change some things.
We're going less than?
We're going less than.
Yeah, that's what it says.
That changes the
The null
p-value then.
hypothesis. Yeah, there's your 0.011. Molly, you're right.
Okay.
Hey, you're not taking both access things or whatever on the probability applet. You're only taking the left side, the negative.
Right.
You're not taking both.
So what's the decision? Reject or fail?
It should be
Our
reject.
p-value.
The first time I failed and it was wrong. So
Okay. And 18?
Because our significance was 0.05 and we're 0.01, so we're well
Okay.
below.
Yeah.
There is sufficient evidence to say that.
is it C? I'm really bad at these.
Me too.
Or is there?
I seem to be able to get the number, but then I don't know what it means.
So if we reject, where's my notes? Reject it's sufficient or insufficient.
That's what
Sufficient, right?
that's where I mess it up too.
I don't
I
even
got
have
that
my
written.
notes. I'm not home, so
Okay, if we reject, we have sufficient evidence. Now we just got to find out what the argument is.
huh.
I'm
So we
gonna
have
choose
evidence
D.
to say that it has not decreased. Well, they're saying that it has decreased.
Okay.
I think the first time I did it, I tried sufficient. I think I can't remember which one I did. I think I must have done B.
Okay.
You tried B?
I'm not sure.
Because we're trying to say that it has decreased, or that's what they're trying to say.
Let's see what we got here. It is D.
Is it D?
D.
D is in dog. And we have everything right.
Oh, wait. Oh,
Hallelujah.
that is so sad.
100% people.
Now if we can just do that on a test
Now if I can just do that on the homework. Amen.
or home.
Yeah, those homework quizzes seem hard. They seem
They're
hard.
miserable.
They seem a little tougher than that.
They
Yeah.
do.
Plus, we're doing it all by our little lonesome.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
That was quick.
Yes.
So we want
Okay.
to talk
All right.
about our project now?
Well, I guess we can't do M&Ms, huh?
Yeah, he totally shot that one down and said that we were crazy to think about anything like that.
Yep.
To be college students and to expect to do something so easy is nuts.
Gosh.
But they did nuts. They did the peanut one with the in his little thing. So do we want to? I guess we got to figure out if we're going to do like a simple random one, a stratified, whatever kind of different one we're going to do.
Oh. Well, what is this going to be on? What is this going to be about?
So he talked a lot about prices at
Yeah.
different locations or different on a specific thing. The one gal talked about gas prices. She was being a little bit more complicated on it, but
I need to watch a video. I don't think we have to record
So-
this part.
okay.